Hello, my name is Tifa Nguyen, and today me and my group members, Peter Colin Gonzalez, Nuha Khan, Eliza Mahmood, Dikshita Upari, and Ethan Walker, and I were assigned the business function of Management Information Systems to go over. So, let's go ahead and get started. So here is an overview of things that we will be tackling.
And first, a brief overview of the business industry. The business industry is an industry involving manufacturing and selling of goods and services, and it encompasses a wide range of other industries such as accounting, finance, and IT. A very brief description of MIS. MIS stands for Management Information Systems, and it consists of programs and tools to help inform business decisions. Next, I will go more into what MIS is. Definition of MIS. Management Information Systems is the hardware and software used to help make business decisions. MIS has a variety of practical uses to help businesses, such as managing projects, tracking sales, monitoring equipment and inventory levels, and it can help inform decisions. With the system tracking this information, it can help managers know where the business needs attention, and as a result, MIS helps improve efficiency. MIS has helped businesses a great amount since a machine can do all the processing and calculations that a human would have to do or would potentially not happen at all. There are a wide variety of different systems as well, each to help the business accomplish different things. For example, one program can manage all customers and what they order, while another can manage inventories and help make decisions on what needs to be restocked, or it'll spot what isn't being sold as much as it should be. Next, I will be talking about the major historic milestones of management information systems. Management information systems started out as programmers arduously wrote code to do business functions since no software existed for it yet. But in the 1980s, when personal computers started to become more common, spreadsheets became a part of MIS, and spreadsheets are still a massive part of running a business today. And with the PCs becoming more common, everyday workers started to have access to the management information software. And over time, MIS departments became more similar to IT departments, with critical business functions such as accounting generally being managed solely by the MIS department within the IT departments. In the 1990s, management information systems really took off, with a wider range of programs being able to accomplish more and more tasks. Pretty soon, there will probably be another historic milestone when artificial intelligence becomes applied to management information systems.
In order to manage and organize data, information, and knowledge to support company operations and decision-making, management information systems are used. Data collection, storage, analysis, processing, information reporting and display, information storage and retrieval, and assistance for decision-making are among the main MIS operations. These actions are essential in supplying timely and pertinent information to decision makers to aid in their decision-making process. MIS assists in performance evaluation, risk and opportunity identification, and decision-making. The information gathered from diverse sources is arranged and organized such that it is simple to access and use. Stakeholders can more easily assess performance and make wise decisions thanks to the information's presentation in reports, dashboards, graphs, charts, and other visualizations. MIS provides decision makers with the means to securely and conveniently store and access information. The main MIS activities contribute to increased operational effectiveness and efficiency, which results in better decision making and enhanced corporate performance.
Management information system majors use their business analytical skills along with their problem-solving skills every day in their careers. This is because these jobs are heavily reliant on these standard skills. However, each job has its own set of responsibilities and skills. Now, one career you can consider in MIS is a system analyst. As a system analyst, you're tasked with the creation, maintenance, and development of an information system. They create these information systems to meet business goals and needs. In order to be a system analyst, you have to have a bachelor's degree in IT, MIS, or computer science. Additionally, you also need to have strong communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Another career route that you can consider in MIS is to become a business intelligence analyst. Business intelligence analysts focus on data analytics of the company, whether it's analyzing it, creating it, presenting it, or managing it. In this job, you must have presentation, communication, strong analytics, and technical skills. Just like a system analyst, for this career, you need a bachelor's degree in MIS or data analytics. Now, lastly, you can also be a database administrator. In this job, you'd have to organize and maintain the data and databases of an organization. In this career, you also need to have strong analytical, organizational, and communication skills, as well as a bachelor degree in MIS. Now, the field of MIS is growing day by day, making it a great place for you to start your career. Now that I've talked about the different types of careers in MIS, let me pass it on to Nuha to talk about the current trends.
First of all, one of the biggest trends MIS has embraced is artificial intelligence. AI has allowed organizations to optimize processes, automate tasks, and gather information more effectively. By integrating AI into their systems, businesses are able to save time and resources while getting work done more efficiently. Additionally, agile methodology, which is a way to manage a project by breaking it up into several phases, allows teams to focus on projects and collaborate with one another. This has also allowed organizations to get work done faster and more successfully. Another important trend in MIS is cloud deployment. Cloud allows businesses to store their data both on-site and off-site and have access to it whenever they need it. With services like Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, businesses are able to save money and only pay for what they need. There is a growing demand for cloud services, and along with many services, jobs are rising within the cloud field as well. While concerns for security and potential threats are also rising, MIS is getting into cybersecurity. Cybersecurity ensures secured uses of many services, leading industries to give it more importance. With these trends now being part of MIS, the future of the field is secure and promises to help with advancements in technology. The use of AI, cloud, data analytics, and cybersecurity together gives industries a perfect balance.
There are three associations that I'd like for you all to consider. The Association for Computing Machinery, or the ACM, the International Association for Computer Information Systems, or the IACIS, and the Association for Information Systems, or AIS. So firstly, the ACM. ACM membership is open to computing professionals, students, and researchers. Prospective members can apply for membership through the ACM website, and the organization offers different types of memberships, including individual, student, and professional memberships for organizations. ACM has special interest groups, also known as SIGs, and include the SIG on Management Information Systems, or SIG-MIS. For the IACIS, membership is open to individuals interested in the field of computer information systems. Prospective members can apply for membership through the IACIS website, and the organization also offers different types of memberships, including individual, student, and corporate memberships. Members can access conferences, publications, and networking opportunities in the field of computer information systems through the IACIS. Lastly, AIS membership is open to students, academics, and professionals interested in the field of information systems. Members can apply for individual or institutional memberships via the AIS website. AIS provides access to academic journals, conferences, and networking opportunities. In conclusion, joining a professional association for MIS can provide new professionals with a plethora of benefits such as the ones we listed before: networking opportunities, access to resources, and professional development programs.
Overall, there are plenty of organizations and opportunities for people to learn about MIS here at GMU, and it's oftentimes easy to forget just how extensive available resources are. So the two main types of opportunities available to students who are interested in MIS are events and organizations that students can join and be a part of. So the most notable events for students would probably be the multitude of career fairs that are hosted throughout the school year. Typically, these career fairs are located at the lower level of the Johnson Center, and they take place about once a semester. It's a perfect opportunity for students to meet with potential future employers, network, and overall get a feel for what the industry has in store. There's hundreds of organizations, companies, and employers that are career fair sponsors, meaning that they send representatives to attend the event and interact with Mason students. The career fairs are usually divided up into designated days for different categories of the industries, such as business and government, health and science, or like computer and tech. And so yeah, there are plenty of MIS opportunities awaiting at the GMU career fairs. But besides events, there are also organizations that students can join if they're part of the School of Business or if they're just interested in MIS. One of those would be Alpha Kappa Psi, which is a co-ed fraternity at GMU that helps to connect students who are focused on developing a successful professional career. There's also Beta Gamma Psi, a business honor society that only invites the top 10% of juniors, top 10% of seniors, and top 20% of master students from the GMU School of Business to join said honor society. There are also clubs such as the Mason Consulting Club and the Mason Investment Club, both of which are student organizations that are dedicated to teaching students practical skills within the business industry. So here I just have a list that I snatched from the GMU Business website of organizations and clubs that students can join. So here are all the options, and of course there's also more that are probably not listed. So, to conclude, overall management information systems is a vast field in the business industry that's continuously growing and is full of opportunities. There are a vast variety of business activities involved with MIS, along with plenty of career options throughout the world and the industry in general. So, these opportunities are also supported by a vast network of professional organizations, some of which are also held by the George Mason University School of Business. Management information systems has opened so many doors in the business industry, and it will only increasingly continue to do so. So, I hope that you guys learned something about MIS, and thank you for your attention.